where every family brings their best bitter wine.
Гуйчжоу – замечательная провинция на юге Китая. И сегодня мы поговорим про чай.
第1回目として、まずお茶の話をしましょう。
Hello everyone, welcome to Zachary's Guizhou Talk. I am your host, Zachary. Today, let's talk about the unique wine culture of Guizhou ethnic minorities. The following is an introduction to the Miao high mountain flowing water drinking culture. The Chinese idiom high mountain flowing water comes from the ancient text 列字唐文. This phrase is a metaphor for beautiful music for intimate friends. In Guizhou's Miao community, when guests arrive, locals should toast their guests in the way of the high mountain flowing water. This is the highest reception for the Miao people, meaning that the guests are accepted as intimate friends. Miao family brewed rice wine is made from new rice produced that year and made with long inherited traditions. The wine is mellow and sweet. For the Miao people, the more their guests drink, the happier they will be. At dinners, young girls line up with wine and pour them into the bowl and chant. The wine bowl is then brought to the guest's mouth, who is not allowed to touch the bowl. If you have a chance to go to a Miao community in Guizhou, it is recommended that you experience the high mountain flowing water and see how much you can drink. Remember to follow, like, subscribe, and repost our account.